Hey again everyone, and welcome to this video. Like every week, we're going to be talking about what happened in the markets over the last week. But before we start though, I invite you to subscribe to our channel, click on the notification bell, and also leave us a like to this video. Thank you so much. Hi, we are the Unger Academy, and we teach traders how to make money in the markets. Our founder, Andrea Unger, had been struggling with trading for years until he developed his automated trading method, which he used to become the only 4-time world trading champion. Subscribe to our channel for free tips and tricks. All right, so let's start with our overview of this week's markets. We'll start with the equity indexes, which are all moving upward, with Nasdaq making a 5-day return of over 7%. So we're finally seeing a rebound in this market. However, let's just wait and see if it'll be temporary, like previous ones that were followed by some very sharp declines, or if instead it can actually be considered to be the beginning of a real reversal of the trend. The other European indexes, as mentioned, are also positive, and the same applies to the bond indexes. In particular, we had a very good day for the Bund, but also all the other bond indexes as well, especially the US bond indexes, namely the 30-year and the 10-year, are positive. Again, we'll see if this rebound is to be considered a fully fledged rebound, thus a reversal of the trend. See here the sharp decline seen in 2022 on bond indexes, or if it will continue to be a bearish trend. In the energy sector, we see a big rally in natural gas, which has even reached and exceeded, I'd say, well above the $8 level, with a return in the last 5 days of as much as positive 25%. A market that has been particularly volatile in recent months and continues to be so to this day. In the metal sector, we see gold experiencing, again, a tentative recovery after the sharp decline seen in previous months. In the meat sector, we see how lean hogs, the pork belly, has had a positive return over the past 5 days of more than 6%, while on the other hand, live cattle and feeder cattle have seen returns closer to parity. Among soft commodities, again, we see some mixed results, mostly positive on cocoa, cotton, and coffee. In the grains sector, on the other hand, we're seeing mostly negative returns, apart from soybean oil. And even among the currencies, the euro-dollar, which had even touched parity level against the dollar last week, recovered slightly and reached 1.02. Also worth noting is the strong recovery of Bitcoin, which has reported a positive return of more than 14%. Again, we'll see if this is indeed the beginning of a recovery, or if prices on this asset will continue to fall as well. Likewise, on the other cryptocurrencies, we saw positive returns in the last week and also in the last month. But as we can see, the yearly results and especially the distance to the all-time high of these instruments is still really very far away, with percentages changing, ranging from negative 65 to even negative 94%. Now let's take a look at the term structure of volatility. Not much has changed from the previous week. What we can say, though, is that we certainly continue to see a decline in the VIX index, which is also called the fear index. And so we hope that indeed the worries are over and the maneuvers of the central banks are producing the desired results. Okay, let's take a quick look at the rollovers that await us next week. Especially the date to mark will be July 26th, because on this date we're going to roll over on the gold market. We're going to go from the August Q contract directly to the December Z contract. Be careful not to go in the V contract because it's totally illiquid and traders don't trade that contract. After that, the whole meat sector, so feeder cattle, live cattle, lean hogs will move from the August contract to the September contract, from August to October, and from August to October for lean hogs as well, respectively. Finally, we have two energy futures, heating oil and RBOB gasoline, which will also move from the August contract to the September contract. Okay, now if there is someone among you who is interested in the world of systematic trading, I suggest you click on the link in the description of this video. From there you can watch a free presentation by Andrea Unger, get our best-selling book covering only the shipping costs, or even book a free call with a member of our team. If you like this video, please be sure to leave us a like, subscribe to our channel, and click on the notification bell so that you can stay updated on the release of all our new content. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you again next week. Bye-bye.